Maximize forklift battery performance with Alpine's on-site testing and repair services. Alpine helps keep your operation moving by evaluating battery health, extending equipment life, and identifying potential issues before they lead to costly downtime. Our on-site approach minimizes disruptions, reduces long-term operating costs, and provides valuable insight into the condition and expected lifespan of your batteries. Using advanced testing methods and detailed inspections, our technicians assess battery and charger performance, identify areas for improvement, and provide clear recommendations to optimize fleet reliability. Alpine supports warehouses, distribution centers, manufacturing facilities, logistics operations, and e-commerce fulfillment centers that depend on reliable motive power equipment. Visit our website to learn more.